Yum, yum. We're having lunch together.
Would you like another asparagus? Are you going for the, go for the,
Go ahead, go ahead.
Have an asparagus.
Cocoa in one hand, asparagus in the other hand. Yes, big boy. What a big boy eating lunch. What happened? You lost it. Oh, you still have your potato.
Getting tired of it? Looks like maybe you're getting full.
Maybe he's making sure it's dead.
Here, babe. This is the last thing I'll give you. There you go. I'll eat this. You're closing right into it. I love how he gets his mouth open way before the food gets there. It's so cute. He's just like, he's as he's grabbing it, his mouth gets open in preparation.
Yep.
The asparagus has made it into the mouth. The asparagus has made it onto the floor.